for the eye makeup application, I have my big Real Techniques eyeshadow brush and my colour switch at the ready. So I'm going to apply delicious pastel pink shimmery eyeshadow as the transition shade. This is going to be a more neutral eye makeup look because this is day makeup. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get the mirror. Just a second. It's a lovely dusting of transition shade. As an introduction. Now I'm going to apply this to the other eye. And I will apply a rose brown as the defining shade to my eyes. Perfect. Now it's time to use the colour switch. I'm going to use this greyish rose brown as the defining eyeshadow with the smaller brush from Real Techniques. No, wrong side. Get the mirror. Just brush that in really nicely. Create more of a wing for my deep set eyes. The brown will really help to make my eyes, and because it's a cool brown, it's not going to make my skin look yellow at the same time. So that's perfect. Now for the other eye. Lovely dusting of the rose brown with the pastel pink. Just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. This will really go with my navy eyeliner from number 7 that I'm going to use after this. It's time to use the colour switch once again. from the XX Revolution Beauty London XX Cloud Shadow Palette. I'm going to use the silver eyeshadow as a highlight to give that extra shimmer and sparkle with the smaller Real Techniques brush. It sounded more like a knock at the door when I was tapping the eyeshadow brush. Just get the mirror. I highlight the brow bones as well as the inner corners of the eyes. And just get some more. Nice. Very nice. Well, I will need some more. Make sure it's all distributed evenly. And now I'm going to use the big Eco Tools brush to blend all of this makeup in. Lovely. Next, I will use the brown mascara from Technic. The Technic Mega Lash Mega Volumizing Mascara. Mascara Volume in the shade brown. I will need my mirror for this. So just help to add the finishing touches to the eye makeup. Make the eyes really so help to really make the eyes just get the mirror to make sure I'm doing it correctly. Could do with some more. Click the mirror once again. Lovely. Now just wait for my mascara to dry. And I will use the dewy setting spray. First, I will use the colour switch on the Real Techniques brushes to clean them first. My eyes are really big. shade navy, the colour navy. And I'll just apply that to the lash line, the upper lash line. I won't be doing the bottom lash line today. Just give it a little something. Make the eyes. Look at how effective that is. Gorgeous. I can do it right to the inner corners because I have wide set eyes. Oops. I need to erase that with the concealer. Just do a little wing here to give the eyes a lift. Same here. Gorgeous. This really helps to make my eyes and stand out. Let me just get a tiny bit of concealer just to do the under eyes again a little bit, especially for this little bit here that I need to correct. Help to keep them fresh looking. My under eyes fresh looking. Clean up the lines. Beautiful. Now, the last step is the Power Grip Dewy Setting Spray from e.l.f. to help to maintain that dewy glow, keep my makeup fresh. Okay, here we go. Mist. Lovely dewy glow. Now I'm going to show you the before and after with the no makeup to this makeup with the eye makeup. is all makeup done, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Ring that notification bell. Share this video. And I will see you in the next video. Take care. Good night.